Hi all, Seamus here from Ryan's Automotive. Today we're just doing an introductory video on the Sice PROADAS system. This is the first video we'll be doing on the system, and it's just going through some of the main features and benefits of the Sice PROADAS system. We can now supply and support this product in Ireland, and we have one ourselves in our own workshop, so we can provide demonstrations and training on this product. So let's get straight into just showing you some of the features and benefits of it. So the Sice PROADAS system was developed by Nexon Group. Nexon Group is one of the largest automotive equipment manufacturers in the world, and all these companies in this, as you will see in this image, are part of the Nexon Group. All of the parts and systems needed to perform a proper ADAS system calibration are combined into one unit, and all developed by one group of equipment manufacturers. So the ADAS system frame, panels, etc., alignment system and diagnostic system is all developed by one group of companies, and this will help ensure compatibility between the different systems needed to test and calibrate ADAS vehicle systems. So the Sice PROADAS system is a multi-brand system for cars, SUVs and light commercial vehicles, and allows you to check and calibrate ADAS systems. There's some great features with this machine. Some of these examples are: only needs one person to operate and perform the complete procedure, has accurate positioning of the frame by using CCD wheel alignment sensors and electronic distance sensors. There's no manual measurements are needed, and the software graphical display guides the operator on the adjustments needed to get the frame into the correct position. We will show more on this in the coming video. So the CCD heads are just mounted on here when they're not in use. So you have 4 CCD wheel alignment heads, and these have two purposes. The first is to do a pre-check on the alignment on the vehicle before we do the wheel alignment, and the other purpose is for squaring the ADAS board properly to the vehicle. And so there's no manual measurements required, and all the CCD heads and this height sensor and also the distance sensor are connected to the diagnostic software via Bluetooth. So when these measurements are taken, they're automatically transferred to the software, so the operator doesn't have to input any measurements or any details. So this is another way of reducing the risk of errors. So like we're saying, you can also do an alignment pre-check with this system, as we have the 4 CCD heads, the wheel clamps, and we have like a pre-alignment software built into the diagnostic or the ADAS diagnostic software. So you can check the alignment and the ADAS calibration all in one system in one go. There's also an option then, if somebody doesn't already have a wheel alignment system and they purchase the Sice PROADAS system, they're already getting 4 carbon wheel clamps, 4 CCD heads, and some other items. So if they want to upgrade to a full 4-wheel alignment system, all you have to add is the software, full alignment software, and some other components. Because when you want to do a ADAS system camera or radar calibration, it's very important that the alignment is correct on the vehicle before you attempt to do this. So it's great to have it all included in one system, in one software package, so that when we print a report at the end, the report for the alignment and ADAS and diagnostics and everything is coming from one software package, so printed in one report. The system can be used on the floor or on a four-post lift. So if you're using it on a 4-post alignment lift, an overground alignment lift, there's an option in the software where you can put in a height compensation, because obviously the ADAS board will be on the ground and the car will be slightly raised depending on the thickness of the lift. So you can set up a compensation for that. The system also does diagnostic scanning of chassis and other ADAS related ECUs before the calibration begins, and all this will be included into the report. All the procedures and instructions then confirm the vehicle manufacturer's procedures as the manufacturer recommends. And one of the other big benefits, another nice feature of this tool as well, is the height adjustment of the board is done with an electric motor. So this reduces the risk when you have the frame set up and squared with the vehicle, and now you need to adjust the height. Sometimes if you're trying to lift the board up or down, it can move it again. So with this, it's very smooth and done with a motor. Also then, when you complete an ADAS calibration on any vehicle, the system will automatically generate a report. So we'll have a report. Your reports will be in here. So after you're doing a radar or camera or any other ADAS system calibration, the system will generate a complete report to print off and show to your customer. And try to find a later one. Yeah. So yeah, there's loads of different information that'll be recorded in the report. So yeah, the details you will have in the report are workshop details and owner details, vehicle details, the equipment details, so the serial number of the ADAS system, ADAS related DTC errors, DTC scanning details. So if you choose to do the vehicle scanning before you do the calibration, it'll be stored in it. The scanning, when you go in the ADAS system or camera, or radar, or other ADAS system calibration, the scanning it does is only in systems that the software reckons will be related to it. So for example, it'll scan all chassis systems and all other camera and ADAS related systems. So then in the report also you'll have your alignment pre-check details, your frame positioning details, so it'll come up if the frame was positioned correctly or not, your vehicle information before the calibration, the ADAS system calibration result, and the vehicle information after calibration. So all this will be stored in the report, and so you can print off the report then to give to the customer or whoever it has to be sent to. Some cases now insurance companies are going to insist on a report after repair to a vehicle. So that's just some of the main points of this system. Watch out for other videos on this product, and we will have videos showing it performing calibrations on a vehicle, so you can see more details about how the systems work. Check out our website for more information on this product. If you click on the link below or in the description below, there'll be a link to the website. Thanks for watching. Bye.